Bam. Check it out. What's up, guys? Today, and ladies, might be a lady watching, who knows, Steeplechase Limited Edition, which is awesome because it's kicking off a new month and I'm not feeling too well, but these are helping make my day be a little better. I gotta go to the doctor later, so I'm not feeling good, breathing weird, congestion, you know, but anyway, but that's not what we're here about. We're here about, bam, Synergy, Steeplechase, Green, and Sport. And it's going to be awesome. Today's just going to be a lather review. Something I noticed which was very interesting. If you look at, hold on a second. Alright, the beach. Remember this? Great smelling soap. If you read the back, it says, what does it say? 95 to 140 degrees. Steeplechase says 70 to 120 degrees, which is a huge difference. But what we're looking at here is Synergy 1.0, Synergy 2.0. Totally different soap. Supposed to be awesome, so set that off to the side. So today in the lather review, I'm going to be using my custom badger, and the hairs are kind of getting funky in there, and Ryan Stephen Green Rooster mug, Goodwill buy, with my boar brush. And since they're basically the same soaps, yeah, I don't have a towel. Basically the same soaps, just different scents. I'm going to lather one. I'll do the, what is this? Sport with the badger. And I'll do the green with the rooster boar brush. Now what's also cool about these soaps, it's a softer soap. I can already press in, and they wrap it in plastic wrap, which is nice. And if you guys watched my, wow, super soft, super good smell. If you watch my unboxing, I mentioned a certain company, no relation to these soaps. So hopefully no cads. I am looking forward to that soap down the road, which will be really nice. Man, and this is just, this reminds me of my grandpa, like my mom's grandpa, dad. Just, let's see if I can get it with the comb. Uh-oh, there we go. Yeah, this is super, super, super soft soap. And my hands are wet and I can't get into it. Okay, there we go. Making a mess, and I haven't even got to the lather. Yeah, that reminds me of my grandpa. It's a good smell. Classic, manly smell. And right off the bat, just a little bit of soap I had on my hand, I can tell it feels really nice to the skin. So I used my Bonavita, got it up to 130, took it out, let it sit, and it's now probably at 140. So hydrated brush. I'm going to try the Marco method, hopefully. We'll see what happens. And this, I should have said which is which. Anyway, badger brush, Sport. Yep. Smelling really good. And I've heard somebody say that Douglas mentioned, hey, if you, as you lather it up, it's going to bloom the scent. So, and it's definitely blooming out more. So, loaded pretty good. Just going to do a face lather. I'm not doing a shave or anything today. So get my hand wet, and we're going to and right away this stuff is getting a nice lather. I mean, it's sheeny, super sheeny. You can't see that really. Yeah, this is awesome. Take some of this out. Just give you an idea of what this looks like. Cushiony. I mean, it is sheeny, sheeny, sheeny stuff. I mean, it feels really good. Smells really good. Let's try to get some of this. You can see peeking out. So now I've got several soaps that are competing for first place in my den. So let's rinse this one. Now let's try the green with the boar brush. So again, same thing. Maybe shake it out just a little bit. Boar tends to hold a little more water. So we're loading up the green Steeplechase, and I'm pretty excited about this because I have not participated yet until now in a limited edition soap. So this is probably way more than I need, but really want to get loads of lather. Man. Alright, same thing. Get my hand wet here. And this might be a little more water than the last one. But that's okay, because this will kind of show us, you know, how this handles water. It seems to be handling it fine. Might just have to lather a little longer than you're maybe normally wanting to. But I can tell you this is slick stuff, super cushiony, great scents. I mean, these are top-notch scents, man. Yeah, I mean, this is coming out like, a lot of guys say yogurt. I would say more like frozen yogurt, but not cold. It's not mentholated or anything, either of these soaps, but they have a wonderful scent. And I believe in the Sport you can get an aftershave and a deodorant. But they're all limited, so you guys should go out and get some if you want. Today is the release for this soap. Oh man, yeah. Check this out. Nice, super sheeny, trying to get the light to reflect off of that. It's like marshmallows. That smell really good. Oh, gee whiz. Yeah, this is cushion, cushion, cushion. Slick, slick, slick. Yeah. Let's just do a kind of slick test. Yeah, my skin feels really good after you rinse it off. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty slick stuff. Oh, smells so good. And it feels awesome. Yeah. Man, this is awesome. So I'm excited. I'm excited to try this stuff. I'm excited to use this stuff. As you can tell, boar, badger, both of them loaded up equally nice. And actually, I'm going to grab my Plisson. Thought I wasn't going to, but I just love these soaps so much. I want to do the Sport again. For me personally, I lean more to the Sport, but to shave with, I would use both. One reminds me of my grandpa, and the other one is just a nice fresh, clean, sporty scent. I don't know what sporty is supposed to... It's a really awkward term to describe a scent, because have you ever smelled somebody who just worked out or played football or basketball? My baby brother plays basketball. Ugh. And he works out now. He's like a professional, what do you call it? Bodybuilder, I guess. Those guys don't smell like this. Maybe after they shower, but... Okay, it's loaded up. Plesson. Top of the line, I would say. One of the best synthetics. This is my only synthetic, so I don't have any major knowledge on that. Oh, man. And the synthetic makes this feel awesome. Like, my Badger brush is soft. The Plesson is super soft. So it's just feeling really good. And I think I need a little more water, actually. Got to remember on the synthetics, they don't hold water so much. Oh, man. Yeah, this is super easy to lather. Really nice. And again, oh gee whiz, it's like a mountain of lather. Again, bam, just marshmallow puffs. Feels so good. Like this, I've got another contender for the mystery soap. Well, when it comes time to me shaving my beard, I've got a nice handful of soaps to choose from now. And, I don't know, Douglas, you might win this one. If you didn't know, I've got a secret game in my head that my soaps are competing against each other for my beard off. Oh, my hand smells good. Soap smells awesome. So, Steeplechase Sport, Steeplechase Green. If you guys want something classic, fresh, just good smelling and awesome at lathering, you gotta get this soap. It is awesome. I can't say it more than that. I mean, this is wonderful stuff. I'm really excited to try it, and just a little sad I'm not gonna be able to use it in my bust-a-shave video. But that's okay. I've got a mystery soap that will be revealed. So if you guys have any questions, comments, comment below. Let me know. And yeah, you guys have a blessed day. And I'm going to go play a game of polo. Not really, but okay. See you.